bit more. There we go. Alright, you ready to record, boys?
Yep.
Nice and quiet, you four. Better than the Mentos and Coke, isn't it? Alright, you ready, girls? You might want to come around this side so you can get it. It's alright, you'll see, you'll get close up, won't you, when you come up? I need 1 or 2 pictures.
Why didn't you put the whole thing in?
Whoa! Did you hear it?
Look at the top. I just want to get out of here. I want to get out of here. I just want to get out of here. I'll just do it. You're not allowed to do it. Like real life. Put quite a lot in that. Right, ready?
Interest, so you can put a hand up and tell me which way we think the lava's going to come out of this one. Arcadius, which way do you think? Which way do you think it's going to run?
That way.
You think it'll come out of there?
That way. No, that way.
Put your hand up if you think it's going to run this way and come down this side of the mountain. Put your hand up if you think it's going to come down this way, the other side. Why do you think that, TJ? It's steeper this side, okay, yeah. Anybody else got any other ideas?
It could come down
Logan,
here.
put your hand up. Any other ideas? Lorena?
A bit more like a slide.
Okay, so we think it's going to come down this way. Let's see if we're right. Ready?
If it's right, it's going to be big. Oh, just stand up a little bit. Don't really. Why do you want to go? No! Yeah! Well, it came down free. Looks like a monster. It actually does. It looks like a ghost. Who's next? I'm watching on that one.